Hey you guys, I am at Trader Joe's this week to do a small little grocery haul because I love Trader Joe's and never make it over here. So I'm with my mom and we're just gonna go to Trader Joe's, get a few awesome things because they have the best stuff. And then when I get home, I'll show you everything that we find. Hey you guys, so I just got back from Trader Joe's. I wanted to show you the awesome things that I got. Trader Joe's is the best. Like I mentioned, the closest Trader Joe's for me is an hour away. So mom and I were running some errands, and so we threw in an ice chest so we can get all the stuff that we love from Trader Joe's. So I'll show you what we got. And I have just been doing a ton of meal planning lately, so I wanted to take a tiny break this week and get some really convenient dinners that we can have that require very little cooking. And Trader Joe's has tons of meals for that. So I'll show you what I got. All right, some of our Trader Joe favorites here are, my husband loves these chicken chili verde burritos, and they're really good. They're in the frozen section, so I got 2 of these to stock up, and they'll last a while in the freezer, but really, really good. The chili verde flavor is delicious. So I got some of these kiwis. They are the golden sun gold kiwi, and they are really, really good. They are actually better than like the regular green kiwis, and my kids have been loving kiwis lately. And these were a really good price. I didn't get these kiwis last week with my Walmart grocery haul because they were way more expensive than the regular ones, but these ones were $3.99, so got these for us for the week. Super easy dinner. We'll do cheese tortellini. I already have some sauce, but the kids will love these, and I just love like fresh pasta, so these are really, really good in the refrigerated section. So Trader Joe's has so many of these awesome heat and serve meals. So this one, I've gotten it the last few times I've gone to Trader Joe's, but it's Cajun style blackened chicken breast fettuccine Alfredo. It has really, really awesome flavor. I like to also add like a little side of broccoli into this. It's really good. And then this one I have not had, so definitely wanted to try something new. The chicken marsala with mashed potatoes. I think it looks so good. So these meals will be super easy for weeknights. Like I said, I've been doing tons of meal planning lately, and we have just been really, really busy. So I'm just gonna take a few days off and have some really simple meals that are really easy this week so I can get back to the grind and plan out some good meals to share with you guys. Trader Joe's always has good snacks. So got some beef jerky, got some vanilla almond granola. This is so good in yogurts, and these are really nice big clusters. So this Cocoa Bon red wine blend, it's $6.99 per bottle, so such a great price, and I always grab a couple bottles every time I go to Trader Joe's just to make sure we always have some for whenever we need it. And then this vanilla almond cluster cereal, it's just like this other cereal, like honey bun, no, I don't know what it's called, from the grocery store, but this one is way better. And so got 2 boxes to stock up with that. It's the Trader Joe's brand. So all of this is, most of all of it, not the kiwis, but everything is Trader Joe's brand, except for the wine too, Cocoa Bon. But I just love all of their brand stuff. Everything is delicious, really great prices. So these things will be very convenient to have for some quick dinners and meals for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will see you next week for my super big weekly grocery haul pickup that I'll be doing, and lots more meal prepping and planning. So make sure you check back. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.